Imagine yourself in this 2001 Chevrolet Camaro. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: power mirrors, daytime running lights, clock, intermittent wipers, air conditioning, auto headlight on-off, dual airbags, and tilt steering wheel. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.